Hey everybody, it's David Richard and special guest today, Rudy Gonzales with Summit Funding. Welcome Rudy to our Ask the Lender show here in our Stockton Realtors group and beyond. Rudy, we got a challenging market for many home buyers. So what are some things that you're doing in today's market to really help the home buyer? Because we need homes to sell.
That is correct.
The buyers. So what do you have for the home buyer today in this market?
Well, we've all heard of marry the house, date the rate, right? Okay. And so along those lines, what we want to do is help more and more buyers become homeowners now. And what I'm offering is all buyers who become homeowners between now and January 1st, if you refinance that mortgage within the next 3 years, I will be able to credit you all of your closing costs at the time of refinancing. So again, we want to fall in love with that property now, get into a home in 2022, and be able to then get a lower payment, lower rate in the future. And if so, I'll help you by crediting you all of those closing cost fees.
Wow. Well, it's saving quite a bit of money.
That is correct, yes. It actually, I mean, for every buyer it's different, but it can be a good chunk of money that will benefit you in the future.
So break down, you say closing costs, that can mean a lot. So what does that detail out, do you think? Is it lender fees, lender and title?
Yes, it is appraisal report, credit report, processing, underwriting, anything to do with lender fees. We will be able to provide that credit. Of course, the prepaids, which is taxes and insurance that we'll have to collect at that time. Again, you do get a refund at the time of refinancing. However, we do have to collect again for the following year. But
yeah, it's a wash.
Our goal is to be able to just motivate more and more buyers to see the importance of buying a home now, and we'll help you get into a better loan in the future.
So Rudy, when you said refund, the refund was from if they had an impound account set up on their original loan, they get that back, which kind of makes up for the new one they'd have to do.
That is correct, yes.
Okay, good.
And that's anywhere between January 2023 through a free refi, and then within the next 3-year period?
3-year period, that is right.
So most likely at some point in that time,
the rates will drop.
We cross our fingers that rates would trend downward.
Yes, hopefully sooner than later, right?
Even a downward trend of like 0.5% or 1% can make a significant amount on their monthly payment, right?
Yeah, I mean, typically anything over 1% is when there's a significant benefit in getting out of that loan, refinancing into a new loan.
I've heard that before, but even they've run those calculations because, well, it doesn't make sense because you got to pay closing costs. But if you're covering majority of the closing costs, then it can make even more sense at a lower rate.
That is correct.
Like a lower break.
Yeah, that's exactly right. So, and once again, our goal is not just short term. We want to help you out in the long run as well. So give me a call and I'll be able to explain in full detail on how I can help you.
Sounds like a great offer, you guys. So if you, like you said, if you have any questions here in the near future to purchase a house, take up Rudy on that offer.
Here to help.
All right, thanks you guys for watching this week's Ask the Lender show. We'll see you on the next one.